Good afternoon, kids. So today we start with chapter 6 of political science. Children, as we have already started this before, we were talking about understanding media. Media means what I said. It is in middle. You can say it is a thing with the help of which you can convey your message to many people, to anyone. Okay. Now we know because of technology the media has become more powerful, correct? Now without technology media was not so powerful. Now but because of different technologies we can reach mass media, means in one a single second we can reach many people together, correct? Now we talk about media and money. Now children, you see cinema, you see movies in TV, or you see your mama see serials at home, even you people see cartoons and all, correct? So have you noticed that thing? Every time after 5 or 10 minutes you will find one advertisement, same advertisement repeated again and again after every 5 or 10 minutes. Why they repeat this? Because they get money from the person who is giving this advertisement. Okay, the more they repeat the more they get money. Okay, so how much money is paid, accordingly they have to go on repeating the advertisements. So, and by this, seeing this advertisement again and again, we also by heart what is that product. Okay, nowadays see, if you see some advertisement you can act accordingly, you will remember it for lifetime, this advertisement was what, correct? So advertisement, this media also earns money this way. Then sometimes some big businessmen, they give them money and they tell them to, you can say, to show news which they want. So indirectly directly media earns a lot of money, fine, by showing, you can say, like for example, now they know cricket, football, these are games which most of the people see. So they will charge more money when such things are there and they want to show their advertisements. Okay, same way in newspaper, if you want your news to be printed on the first page, then you have to give more money. On the in middle somewhere, then less money. So there are different ways in which media also earns a lot. Now, children, we talk about media and democracy. Democracy here means the government and the people, correct? How we are connected with the government? It is only because of media. In olden days, it was how the government, how it was like it was only through newspapers. Then slowly, radio emerged, technology. Then TV, television, correct? So because of all these things now it is so fast, we whatever happens, whatever the government does, the press people go over there and they take an interview and then they show it in the news, or they also, we see it in the newspapers also. So in this way all the people are aware of what is going on, what the government is doing, correct? And we have the right to think whether he's right or wrong, and accordingly if we want, we can, if we want see okay, the government is not doing the correct thing, we can go on strike, or we can start a campaign, or tweet, okay, this is wrong, do this way. We can always advise the government, because nowadays there are many platforms, media platforms. Okay, so we are directly connected with the government because of media. So we can take care of the democracy very well. Now children, media actually plays a very important role in our lives, correct? Because it is, we believe what media is saying to us. So actually it is the duty of media to be very balanced. He has to give news very balancedly. Like he cannot give some rough view, some such news which will create conflicts between two states or two religion. They have to think properly before giving the news. Okay, now for example, there was one scene, you can see these are two types of newspapers who have typed news of one same incident. There was one factory, and out of that factory, outside the gate of the factory, there were many workers shouting and doing strike, and the factory was closed down. So one of the newspaper has written, factory is closed down, the workers are creating problem over here, the road has been jammed, people are getting disturbed. So it was totally in favor of the owners of the factory, correct? And the next one, what is he saying? The next paper, he is showing that why this strike is there. It is because the owner of the factory has said he will change the location, means this factory will be shifted to some other place. So the employees were shouting, okay, if you go to some other place, our job will go away, because we are staying over here, how will we go to that different place? This is not right. Then give us little money so that we can do something else. So at least this person has covered other side. So one newspaper has covered the owners, factory owners side, and one has covered the employees side, worker side. Actually it should be, the news should be such that it should cover the whole story properly. Means the news reader, the news one, the one who is making the news, he have to hear the owner also and the worker also, and should picturize the correct story to the public. That is their duty. That is called a balanced report should be made. Then only the media can work. In olden days, children, media was totally controlled by this government. I'm talking, this is in the era of when Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, those were the prime ministers. Total control of press, of media was under their hands. Now they have the freedom to show many things, I mean, to write whatever they want. They have the freedom now. Okay. Yeah. But there are some rules for media also, like there are some censorship means they can't do this thing, they can't do this thing. Means if some person is killed, very badly killed, like a pieces are made of that body, so such pictures should not be shown to the general public, correct? It may affect the mind of many people. It is very like dirty to see such pictures, correct? So then censorships are there, some rules are there, okay, you can't show this, you can't show this, or you can't show news which will create instant conflict between two religions or two states. Clear? Okay children, we continue tomorrow. Till then, see you. Bye bye.